Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Shotcut on a Windows 11 computer in 2025. First thing you want to do is find your Microsoft Edge icon either here or down your taskbar here. Click to open. Once Edge is open, we can type in google.com and we're going to search for one word, Shotcut. Okay, and that's going to give us the website www.shotcut.org. We'll click here to go to the home page, and we can click right here to download. Okay, once we close out that ad, we'll come here, and we've got the Windows 10 11. So this is the installer for the Intel or AMD CPU. If you do happen to have a Windows 10 ARM CPU, you would select this one, but since I have an Intel-based CPU, I'm going to select that one. That's going to bring me to SourceForge, and this is going to take a moment, and then we're going to start downloading. Okay, once that is downloaded, we can open the file right from here or go to our Downloads folder. So I'm going to just click to open the file right from Edge. Okay, and we've got this option we can install for all users or install for me only. For me, I'm going to only be using it for me, but typically let's go with the recommended. After it asks you to make changes to your device, this wizard's going to pop up. We can get rid of this at this point, and let's click Next. Next. I like to create a desktop shortcut, so I'm going to check this one as well. And you also, if you're, I think, uninstalling, you can remove Shotcut settings from registry. Let's click Next and then Install. Okay, now you're going to get a message that you're completing the Shotcut Setup Wizard. And you can click Finish to exit the setup and leave this checked or unchecked. I'm going to leave it checked, so it's going to start Shotcut. So I'll click Finish. Okay, so now Shotcut's going to open up. You can go down here and right-click and pin it to the taskbar. So I have it pinned right next to OBS Studio. So I'm going to expand this, and the video mode you can select. You can select just automatic based off the whatever you recorded at. It's going to use that, or you can click on this, and we can go down and let's say I want to do 4K. So do Ultra HD 2160p at 25 frames per second. Let's select that one, and maybe I'll call this first project How to Install Shotcut on a Windows 11 PC in 2025. Okay, so now that I have my title, I can click Start, and then I can bring in files here, start editing them down here, and then export it, and I'm good to go. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, it would really help this video get out to like-minded people. If you gave it a like and subscribed, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day.